In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. This is one of the best ways to protect your account from unauthorized access, especially if you play Fortnite, use the Epic Games Store, or have important purchases and game progress tied to your account. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, and in just a few minutes, you'll have it turned on. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games account portal. Once you're there, log in with the email and password connected to your Epic Games account. If you have trouble signing in, double check that you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple emails or gaming accounts. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. A menu will appear, and from that menu, select account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage your profile, security options, linked accounts, and more. On the left side of the screen, find and click the Password and Security tab. This section is where Epic Games keeps all of the important sign-in and protection settings for your account. Once you open it, scroll down until you see the two-factor authentication section. This is the area where you can choose how you want to secure your login. Now you'll see a few different options. Epic Games usually gives you the choice between Authenticator app, email code, or SMS code. If you want the strongest and most secure option, an Authenticator app is usually the best choice. It generates time-based codes on your phone, which makes it much harder for anyone else to access your account. If you want something simpler, you can use email code or SMS code instead. Once you've chosen the method that works best for you, click Setup. If you selected Authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your app and enter the verification code. If you selected email or SMS, Epic Games will send you a code that you'll need to enter to confirm the setup. Just follow the prompts carefully until the process is complete. After setup is finished, your Epic Games account will now have two-factor authentication enabled. That means every time there's a new login, Epic may ask for a verification code, which helps keep your account much safer. It's a simple step, but it can make a huge difference in protecting your games, skins, payment information, and account details. Before you go, I also recommend checking that your recovery email and phone number are up to date, just in case you ever need to regain access to your account. A few extra minutes of security setup can save you a lot of problems later. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.